Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week, along with some of the cool and upcoming things going on with MobileSentrix. So let's get into the video. First and foremost, the 17th, tomorrow through the 20th, some of our team hopes to see you at the ITC Malta 2025 at the Hilton in Portomaso, St. Julian's. We will be located at booth A13, so we hope to see you there. Now in stock, we have service pack replacement parts for Galaxy Watch, such as the Galaxy Watch 6, the 6 Classic, the Galaxy Watch 5, Galaxy Watch 4 and 4 Classic, Galaxy Watch 3 and 2 active, so definitely check out those parts so that you can add that to one more thing that you can repair. We've got a bunch of new repair tools, such as this PDC reballing platform, thermal insulation silicone pad set, allowing you to have a much better time reballing some of those larger ICs like a CPU. The MC1 4K HD microscope camera, the Relife 910 battery glue removal tool specifically for those newer iPhone batteries, the Relife high temperature resistant silicone pad, and this really nice magnetic squeegee opening tool compatible for the iPhones and tablets and even parts of refurbishing. The two most common temperature solder paste, the 183 and 138, and some ultrafine silver jumper wire for those of you that do board repair. There's a bunch of other new tools as well, so definitely take the time to check those out when you've got a chance to go on the website. We've got some great deals on the pre-owned Galaxy S20 Ultras, and we've got the parts you'll need to repair the MacBook M3 and M4, such as the trackpads and the complete LCD display assemblies and more, so definitely take some time to check those out. Last Tuesday, I went over a bunch of different videos covering some of the new technologies available now on the market. On Wednesday, I went over some of the really cool techniques for reballing ICs. On Thursday, we went over an iPhone 13 that had suffered a severe drop and had previously had a repair attempt. So we were able to uncover where they went wrong, we were able to correct it. We went about diagnosing that, troubleshooting it, showing how to fix it. If you hadn't had a chance to check that out, I highly recommend it. On Friday, I went over a 13 Pro where we upgraded the memory from a 128 gigabyte NAND to a 1 terabyte. So if you haven't seen how that process, I highly recommend checking out that video as well. If there's a specific repair or a tool that you'd like to see in a future video, comment it down below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.